Hey, what's up? I'm Russ, and this is Dapper Dividends. So, a few weeks ago, we went to a state park and spent the whole day there. I wanted to go back to my brother in law's house to order pizza at the end of the day, but I was overruled. So, we're sitting in this restaurant and I'm looking at the menu and I just can't get on board with the prices. Everything just looks way too expensive for me, for my tastes. So, because I am addicted to saving, and my wife is probably going to kill me for telling you this, but what I did was I skipped my dinner, decided to wait an extra 10 minutes, and I ate what my wife and my two daughters didn't eat for dinner, which ended up being more than enough food for myself. So I saved about $10 right there. Secondly, we had a cooler full of beverages in the car. I excused myself to the bathroom, and on the way back, I swung by the car, maybe gone 5 minutes, and I had my dinner beer in the car, came back, and I saved myself probably $15 or so. I still had a good time, still enjoyed myself. I didn't feel deprived at all. But this is the mindset that I have, that I am so dedicated to financial freedom and achieving that point where work will become optional and passive income will cover all of our expenses. The reason that I told you that story is because I was recently approached by the aunt of one of my friends who's a little bit younger than me. And she wanted me to sit down with him and hammer out a plan to help him get on the path that I'm on towards financial independence and being debt-free, financial free, all those good things. And as I was going to do that, I decided instead to use this medium because you'll be able to, what's up? You'll be able to use this, look back on this whenever you want, and there may be other people that this can help. Even if it helps one person, then I think it's all worth it. And damn the metrics and the analytics and whatever if I'm not supposed to do this, but I'm going to do this for maybe, I don't know, 10 videos or so. And each video will be one more step in the progression that I think should be followed in order to get where I am. Now, I'm not perfect. I've made mistakes along the way. I continue to make mistakes, but I'm human and I know what's working for me, and I'm going to share what has worked and what is working for me. At the very beginning is attitude. What's up here is what's going to set the precedent if you'll be able to follow the path to financial freedom and achieve financial freedom. It does take a commitment that is on you to come through with and to follow. There's plenty of people that are willing to help you along the way, but it's going to be up to you to walk that path towards financial freedom. I think this is one of the most important quotes I have ever seen. It's by Warren Buffett, who says, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." This is what it is all about. It's about making passive income. It's about having enough money that is there that you can extract from to pay your expenses and to live on. Money is a tool. Money is a tool that can be used for slavery or for freedom. If you spend constantly more than you have, then you will be indebted to others. When you're indebted to others, you will never be financially free. So right now, I'd like to lay the foundation for everything that I do in just a few steps. Any self-help book, any kind of course is all going to be distilled and boiled down into these few points. First, spend less than you earn. It is critical that you live below your means and you spend less money than you're bringing in. Secondly is to pay off your debts and stay out of debt, except for mortgage. Mortgage is the one exception that I think is good debt, especially if you have a low interest rate. And then third is to invest in your own human capital. Invest in yourself with some of the money you're saving from living below your means. What this means is to learn rare and specialized skills that will set you apart from other people and command a higher wage if you're working for somebody else or if you want to work for yourself. But you have to have rare and specialized skills. And lastly, the money that you worked hard for, you want to have work hard for you. You want to create an army, amass an army of self-replicating dollars that will just tirelessly, like the Terminator, like a machine, just keep working for you, whether you're awake, asleep, on vacation, whatever you're doing, that money will be replicating itself. Now, it's often been said that the best time to start something was yesterday, but the second best time to start something is right now, today. Check out Warren Buffett and how his wealth grew by age. He made the bulk of his wealth after the age of 59. That should be motivating as all get out for you, that it's never too late to start. There's always somebody around to help you on your journey, but it all begins with you making that commitment and walking that path. All right, that's it for this video. And in the next one, we'll talk about setting a goal and very practical ways that I have saved money and ways that you can do that too. And I will talk to you there.